What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today I thought I would continue getting some little odds and ends projects done on my daughter's 2001 Volkswagen Beetle. So my daughter and son-in-law got this car a while back, and it was essentially a free car, but in order to get it on the road it needed some repairs. I think they ended up doing the alternator, a few other minor things really needed to get done before they could get it back on the road. But, you know, being a young couple, they didn't really have any extra money to take care of the not so important things. You know, like this driver's side headlight. The lens was busted out. The light still worked, both the low beam and the high beam bulb still worked. It was just the lens was busted. So I went to the pickup part the other day, found a replacement, and got that replaced. Also, a previous owner had gone ahead and for some reason cut out the front passenger side seat belt. They cut it off down here at the bottom, and for some reason, who knows. But I went ahead and, again, from the pick apart, got a seat belt and got that replaced. So today, I'm gonna go ahead and take care of another minor repair. Replacing the driver's side door panel. I mean, here you can see it's definitely seen better days. I mean, everything works. It's just, it's kind of in pieces. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. So here's the panel I picked up from the pick apart. It's actually a really simple process to get the old one out, get the new one in. Let's get to it. All right, so there's really only, I believe, 5 fasteners that hold this door panel on. There are 2 screws right here where the door handle would be. This one's long been busted off. So just go ahead and get these screws out. Now in the car that I pulled out of the pick apart, they were actually 2 like hex head bolts that were holding it on. So once I get these out, I'll determine which ones I want to reuse. The obviously the door panel will dictate which hardware gets reused here. I'll get that one out later. And then on the bottom there are 3 Torx bits. Yep, that third one's missing. So now it's just a matter of lifting this thing out and disconnecting all the connectors and let all the pieces fall out that are busted off in there. So that's the door handle cable. Electrical connection for the lock. Mirror control. This top piece actually rests down inside this piece of trim here, so the whole thing has to lift up to come out. There we go. And we disconnect everything else. There we go. All right, as far as installing the new one, it's just the reverse. So I think for the door panel that I got from the pick apart, I'm going to reuse the hardware, the 2 bolts that came with it. These are just 10 millimeter. Once the 2 bolts for the handle are tightened down, we can put in the 3 Torx bits along the bottom here. So I probably should have tested all the functions before bolting everything in, but I'm confident. There you go. Everything's working. There you have it. Replacing a door panel on a 2001 Volkswagen Beetle. You know, another quick project, took what, less than half an hour. It just really improves the overall look of the door. Like I said, everything on the last door panel, everything worked. It just, obviously pieces were always falling off of it, thing rattled around, and this will just make things hopefully a little bit nicer. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell. I'll catch you on the next one.